Your company implements Azure policies to automatically add watermark to Microsoft Word documents that contain credit card information. Instruction, review with underline test. Okay, here we have sorry guys, the Azure policies. We know that Azure policies can enforce something automatically add the watermark to Microsoft Word documents that contain credit card information. Well, I think that let's begin. I don't know this question, but I think that the OS protection isn't because uh, it's it's DDS protection. Don't do this. Um, Azure information protection. I think that's may hard to say, but no changes need. I think that's difficult. I think it probably would be Azure Information Protection or Azure Activity Directory Identity Protection. And I will try this one. Try Azure. Let's see. Oh man. Okay, Azure Information Protection. I don't know. I have to take notes about this. Let's next match. Provide a digital online assistant that provides speech support. Mm. Process data of millions of sensors. This is IoT, right? IoT. Provide serverless computing functionalities. Um, Serverless, serverless. So serverless is Azure function. Oh, that's wrong. I think IoT. Use past training to provide predictions that have high probability. This is machine learn. Machine learn. And here is AI bots. Okay, that's right. You can create an Azure support request from Support Microsoft. Okay, you can create Azure support request from Microsoft Support. I think that's it, right? Uh, Maybe Azure Portal. I don't know. Azure support in Azure Portal. Let's check. Yeah, that's right. You plan to store 20 terabytes of data in Azure. The data will be accessed infrequently and visualized using Microsoft Power BI. You need to recommend a storage solution for the data. With two solutions should you recommend? Okay, infrequently and Microsoft Power BI. Uh, let's see, Azure database for PostgreSQL. I think that's not. Mm. Azure Data Lake. Azure Data Lake. I don't know, man. I would like to mark data warehouse. It's not Cosmo DB. access infrequently. So infrequently, I don't know, man. Azure SQL or Azure Data Lake. Mm, that's right. Oh, that's right. If a resource group name RJ1 has a delete lock, only a member uh, of the global administrator group can delete. Azure person must be notified before an administrator. Azure tags delete lock must be removed before an administrator. I think that the last, because in Azure questions they have to specify clearly. So it's really important to say the information that the delete log must be removed before. You have an Azure environment that contains multiple Azure virtual machines. You implement a solution that enables the client computers on your on-premise network to communicate with Azure Virtual Network. You need to recommend which Azure resource must create for the planned solution. Okay. Uh, Enable client computers on-premise network. Communicate. Communicate with Azure VM. I think that's not load balancer. It's a gateway subnet and a virtual network. You have a resource group named. You can create a virtual network and app service in RG1. You need to prevent the creation of virtual machine only in RG1. What should you what should you use? Mm. Oh, okay. Remember what I said. Create or delete. Uh, it's remember lock, lock, create and delete to prevent and to delete. A cloud service that can be accessed quickly to the internet. Lawlessness. A cloud service that can perform quickly when it increases its scalability, right? A cloud service that can remain available after it occurs. Mm, I think that's fault tolerance. A cloud service that can be recovered after it occurs. Disaster recovery. Your company plans to migrate all on-premise data to Azure. You need to identify either Azure complies with the company region requirements, what you should use. Mm, I don't know, maybe knowledge center, trust center. Your company has 10 departments. The Azure plans to implement Azure environment. The company plans to implement an Azure environment. You need to ensure that each department can use different payment options for Azure service it consumes. It's a subscription, guys. Remember, different payments, each department ensure its keywords of subscription. Okay, all data that is copied to a Azure Story account is back is backup automatically to another Azure data center. Yes, yes, I think so. A Azure Store account can contain up 2 terabytes of data and up 1 million files. That is copied to Azure account is maintained automatically in I don't know. I don't know this question. Let's check. Okay, what is no? Mm. Oh, okay. I You need to configure the Azure solution that meets the following requirements. Mm. Security website from attacks. Generate report that contain details of attempt attacks. It's DDoS protection. Which Azure service should you use to store certificate key? Oh, sorry guys, I have to wait for a moment. Your company plans to migrate all its network resources to Azure. You need to start the planning process by exploring Azure. What should you create first? Okay. Your company plans to migrate all its network resources to Azure. We start the planning process. The first thing that we have to do, guys, is a subscription. In which Azure support plans can you open a new support request? Uh, Basic, no. So I think that is Premium, Professional, and the Standard. Oh man, develop. Which two types of customer are eligible to use Azure Government to develop a cloud solution? Um, Cloud solution. Sorry guys, I know that's really loud. Government then, and contractor. Provide the platform for serverless code. Here. Big data analysis service from machine learning. Detect and diagnose anomalies in web apps. Here. Host web apps. I think that's it. That's here. Yeah. Mm, I think that's the right thing. Great. Support plan solution that gives you best impact information, health status and notification, and 24/7 access to billing information at the lowest possible cost is a standard support plan. Yeah, that's it. Oh man, base can do it. Oh my gosh. Okay. What should you use to evaluate if either your company Azure environment meets the regulatory requirements? Uh, you have on-premise application that sends email notification automatically based on a rule. You are planning to migrate the application to Azure. You need to recommend the serverless compute solutions for the application. Okay, here, based on a rule. Based on a rule is a logic app. You plan to provision infra as a service resource in Azure. Which resource is an example of infra as a service virtual machine? Your company plans to migrate to Azure. The company has several departments. All the Azure resources used by each department will be managed by a department administrator. You need to recommend Azure deployment that provide the ability to desegment Azure for the department. The solution must minimize administrative effort. Okay, has several department will be management by a department administrator. Um, what post subscription could be, but I think it's more resource groups. Oh, okay. Um, your company plans to deploy several million sensors that will be upload data to Azure. You need to identify which Azure resource must be created to support this planned solution. With two Azure resources should you identify? Each correct answer present a part of the solution. Okay. Um, we have sensor, several media sensor, uh, IoT, right? Data lake could be, I think it's not here. Several million sensors that will be upload. Upload maybe you need a data lake, you know? Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Kiri, okay, Kiri can, yeah, Kiri can do this. What can Azure Information Protection encrypt? Mm, I think that's a traffic. Documents, email, documents, email. You plan to deploy a website to Azure. The website will be accessed by users worldwide and will host large video files. You need to recommend which Azure feature must be used to provide the best video playback experience. Okay, when we have this, we can use, guys, Express Host videos or images, things like that. Oh man. Okay. From the Azure monitor, you can view which user turned off a specific virtual machine during the last 14 days. Active Azure log. Have an application that is comprised of an Azure web app and SLA of 1995%. Database and then 90, 99, 99%. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Ah, man. Yeah. You have a several virtual machines in Azure subscription. You create a new subscription. The virtual machine cannot be moved to the new subscription. Can be moved with a new subscription. Can be moved with a new subscription. Your company plans to automate the deployment of service to Azure. You manage is concerned that you may expose administrative credentials during the deployment. You need to recommend Azure solution that encrypts the administrative credential during the deployment. I really don't know, guy. Maybe this. Oh, we have Azure Web App. You need to manage a set of web app from iPhone. Windows PowerShell, Windows CLI, Cloud Shell. So, that's it, guy. Thanks a lot. Uh, if you have any question, any point, feel free to say, and we will try to do best in the next time. I think that we can see what we make wrong or not. Here, here. In this PowerShell not for iPhone, Azure Cloud Shell and Azure CLI, Key Vault. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks. Um, we are in the en.daypo site. Here we have a free simulate, and we do it together. I don't know anything, however, what I know I can share with you, and let's do it together. Okay, it's a test of Azure fundamentals, Microsoft fundamentals, So let's start. If your Microsoft plan and support for Azure service that does not have a successful service, Microsoft will provide a notification at least 1 year before. Instruction: review the underlying test. If it make the statement correct, select no changes needed. If statement is incorrect, select the answer choice that makes the statement correct. Uh, Here is about the 12 months. That's right. That's right. That's it. Let's see. Okay, no change. Next. Azure German can be used by legal resident of Germany only. Instruction: review the underlying test, and the same thing. Let's analyze. Uh, Actually, that's the I think that's it. Any user or enterprise that require is data to resist in Germany. I mean, it's the user and the enterprise. I don't think that's right. Let's see. Great. Next. One of the benefits of Azure SQL data warehouse is the high availability is built into the platform. We have here version, automatic scaling, data compression, and no changes needed. Actually, that's right. The high availability is the it's a great benefit. So let's do it. Oh, come on here. What is governed in Azure Service Legal Level Agreement? SLA, Azure Service Level Agreement. Um, Uptime, bandwidth, performance, feature availability. Level agreement. I mean, I don't know. I think that is feature availability. I don't think that is uptime or performance. I think that is the best benefit. Or I don't know if it's a grant. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe bandwidth. Oh, that's right. As I said, it's not like a class. It's more like a gameplay. A study play, a simulate play. But let's do it. Your company has a Azure environment that contains. Sorry about the dogs. I'll start again. Let me start again. Sorry. Your company has a Azure environment that contains resources in several regions. A company policy states that the administrator must only be allowed to create additional Azure resource in a region in the country where the office is located. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Is located. You need to create the Azure resource that must be used to meet the policy requirement. Uh, I think that is Azure policy because Azure policy is like more related with government aspects. Research group provide organization with the ability to manage the compliance of Azure research across multiple subscriptions. Okay. Review the underlying task. Let's see it. Resource group provide the organization with the ability to manage the compliance of Azure resource across multiple subscription. I think that's not Azure policy. It's not app service. I think that's management group. Management group do is with management group we can manage multiple subscription. Oh, the Azure policy. After we have to understand better this. I really don't know. Your company has 10 offices. You plan to generate several billings reports from the Azure portal. Each report will contain the Azure resource utilization of each office. Which Azure Resource Manager feature should you use before you generate the reports? Uh, it's tags. With tags, we can organize the bills. Authorization is a process of verifying user credentials. It's not right, you know. Uh, it's not authorization. It's authentication. In authentication, we verify the things. Let's see. Um, which could deploy solution is used for Azure Virtual Machines and Azure SQL database. Azure Virtual Machines, we know that is a infra as a service, and SQL platform as a service. After you create a virtual machine, you need to modify the network security group to allow connections from TCP port 1818 uh, 88 to virtual machine. Let's see it. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I did not change. Oh, that's right. Our company plans to deploy several web servers and several database servers to Azure. You need to recommend Azure solution to limit the types of connections from the web servers to the data servers. What should you include in the recommendation? Um, limit types of connections. Limit time of connections is network security group. Yeah, the limit inbound traffic, and I think that's right for this question. Let's see it. Your company implements Azure Pulse to automatically add watermark to Microsoft Word documents that contain credit information.